Once upon a time, in a quaint little village bordered by a majestic forest, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lila. Every morning, Lila would wake up to the singing of birds and the rustling leaves, eager to play among the tall trees and bubble brooks. She adored everything about the forest, from the tiny ladybugs to the towering oaks, and even the mischievous squirrels that often attempted to steal her picnic treats. One sunny day, Lila skipped along the winding path leading to her secret spot by the crystal-clear pond. But as she approached, her smile dimmed. Litter dotted the path, and plastic bottles floated in the pond. The trees looked dull, and the usual cheerful chatter of the animals was replaced by a muffled silence. Feeling a tug at her sleeve, Lila turned to see a small squirrel with bright eyes and an adorable acorn hat standing beside her. "Hello, I'm Nutty," the squirrel chirped, startling Lila. "Please don't be frightened. I've come to ask for your help." "Nutty, you can talk?" Lila gasped, amazed. "I can," Nutty nodded. "And I need your help to save our home. All this trash, it's making the forest sick, and the animals unhappy." Lila's eyes widened with concern as she looked around at what used to be her favorite play area. "Oh no! How can we make it better, Nutty?" she asked earnestly. "Well," Nutty began, wiggling his tail excitedly, "I have a plan. But we'll need help from all our forest friends." Together, Lila and Nutty rallied the forest creatures for an extraordinary cleanup adventure. There was Betty, the wise old owl who managed the recycling by separating paper and plastic. Bouncy, the playful rabbit, found creative ways to reuse bottles and cans to build little playhouses for the younger animals. Even Grumpy, the sometimes grouchy bear, lent a large paw to dig a compost pit for the food scraps. As the day unfolded, Lila learned that recycling, reusing, and reducing waste could be fun and rewarding. She used sticks and leaves to make art, and taught her newfound friends catchy songs about keeping the forest clean. The magical part, however, was how the small efforts of everyone involved began to transform the forest back to its natural splendor. The leaves gleamed a brighter green, the rivers sparkled under the sun, and the animals sang with joy. Lila and her forest friends gathered together at sunset, where Nutty stood up on a tree stump to address everyone. "Today, we learned that caring for our home is everyone's responsibility," he said with a hopeful smile. "Even small actions, like picking up trash and recycling, can make a huge difference." Lila nodded enthusiastically. "Let's promise to always keep our forest clean, so it'll always be a wonderful place for everyone." With the forest glowing in happiness, Lila waved goodbye to her new friends and walked back home, her heart full of determination to protect the wonderful world around her. And thus, her magical adventure became a daily mission to make the earth a cleaner, brighter, and happier place for all. From that day onward, the forest and its friends never lost their shine. And whenever Lila returned, she saw a home that was loved and cared for, always echoing with the sweet tunes of nature's own song.